Oh, hello! I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just a little bit curious, you're in the right place. Welcome to our cozy corner, where we'll create with our hearts and hands. It's me, Stacy. Come on in, kick off your shoes, and get comfy. Imagine we're sitting together, sharing stories and laughter, surrounded by the warmth of home. Have you ever stumbled upon a little something tucked away? A tiny baby sock, a faded photograph, or maybe an old concert ticket, and suddenly, you're transported right back to that special moment? It's like time travel, but with your heart. These treasures aren't just clutter gathering dust, they're precious pieces of our story, each one holding memories, laughter, and sometimes even a few tears. What if we could turn these memories into something beautiful we see every day? That's what emotional crafting is all about, transforming keepsakes into heartfelt art that brightens our lives. It's not about being perfect or fancy. It's about making something from your heart, something that tells your unique story. Every little imperfection just adds to the charm. Crafting lets us sit with our memories, both happy and bittersweet, and celebrate the people and moments that shaped us. It's a way to honor our journey and the love woven through it. It's a gentle way to pause, remember, and create. Sometimes, just holding a keepsake can bring comfort and spark inspiration for something new. So, grab a cuppa, settle in, and let's chat about turning those dusty boxes of memories into something magical, something you'll cherish every day. Everyone has a creative spark, even if you think you're not the crafty type. All you need is a little curiosity and a willingness to try. We'll explore simple, meaningful ideas using things you already have at home. No fancy supplies required, just a bit of imagination. So let's snip, stick, and make our memories shine together. I can't wait to see what you'll create. You might wonder, why not just keep photos in an album? But emotional crafting is different. Touching and working with these items connects you to the memory in a deeper way. You're not just looking at the past, you're bringing it into your present. Crafting is a safe space to explore all your feelings, from joy to nostalgia. Each snip and dab of glue is part of your story. It's a way to honor the past and the people who shaped us, turning feelings into something you can hold. In a fast, filtered world, this is something real, just for you. It reminds us that ordinary moments are often the most precious. Emotional crafting helps us see the magic in the little things. Before we start, let's set up a cozy, relaxed space. No fancy studio needed. A kitchen table, a comfy cushion, or even a tray on your lap will do. Gather your basics: scissors, glue, tape, string, and any bits from around the house. Old jars, boxes, magazines, fabric scraps. Set the mood, play music, light a candle, or make a mug of tea. This is your special time, so make it feel lovely. Now gather your box of treasures: photos, drawings, tickets, keepsakes. Lay them out and take a moment to look through. Don't rush. Let each object spark a memory. This is where the magic begins. Ready? Let's get crafting. Ready to make something special? Whether you're looking for a creative way to spend a cozy afternoon or hoping to capture memories in a hands-on way, these projects are perfect for all ages and skill levels. Here are some simple ideas to get you started. Each one is designed to help you reconnect with your favorite moments and express your creativity using materials you probably already have at home. Memory Shadow Box. Start with a deep frame or box, line it with meaningful fabric or decorative paper, and arrange your treasures inside. This could be anything from ticket stubs and postcards to small trinkets or dried flowers. Glue down heavier items and add handwritten tags to tell the story behind each piece. Personal notes or dates make it even more special. Patchwork Quilt Square. Cut a base square from sturdy fabric, then add pieces from old clothes, favorite t-shirts, or leftover fabric scraps. Each piece can represent a memory or a loved one. Sew or glue them on, no perfection needed. The beauty is in the mix of colors, textures, and stories. Photo Transfer Art. Print a photo with a laser printer, choosing an image that brings back a favorite memory. Use transfer gel or Mod Podge to stick it to wood or canvas. Let it dry completely, then gently rub off the paper to reveal a timeless, vintage look. This makes a unique gift or keepsake. Scented Memory Jar. Fill a jar with items and scents that remind you of a special moment, like a vacation, a holiday, or a favorite season. Add sand and shells for a beach trip, or spices like cinnamon and cloves for baking memories. You can even add a note or a photo inside. Toy Diorama. Use a shoebox to create a scene from your childhood with old toys or figures. Paint the backdrop to set the scene, and build your miniature world, adding details like trees, furniture, or even tiny signs. Imprint tiles. Roll out air-dry clay to about half an inch thick, press in a handprint, paw, or textured object, like a leaf or a favorite button, and let it dry for a lasting keepsake. You can paint or write a date on the back when it's done. Memory map collage. Draw a map of a meaningful place, your neighborhood, or even your life's journey. Then collage photos, tickets, and mementos onto it. Trace your travels, mark special spots, and let your map tell your story. Each project is about celebrating your story in a creative, personal way. There's no right or wrong, just what feels meaningful to you. Don't worry about perfection, just have fun. Let yourself play, experiment, and enjoy the process. Mix and match these ideas or invent your own. Combine techniques, swap materials, or invite friends and family to join in. The most important thing is that it means something to you. These crafts are about cherishing your memories and making new ones along the way. Let's make your memories come alive, one little project at a time. Let's keep the crafty fun going. There's something truly magical about making things with your own hands, especially when each project is inspired by your favorite memories. Whether you're crafting alone or with loved ones, these creative ideas are sure to spark joy and nostalgia. Scented memory jars. Capture a feeling through scent. Fill a jar with dried flowers, tiny trinkets, and a few drops of essential oil that instantly transport you back to a happy place. Every time you open the jar, you'll be reminded of special moments and the people you shared them with. Toy diorama. Create a playful scene from your childhood using a shoebox and old toys or figures. Reimagine your favorite adventures and let your imagination run wild as you build a tiny world that tells your story. Imprint tiles. Use air-dry clay to capture a handprint, paw, or textured object for a permanent memory. These little tiles become keepsakes you can hold onto, reminding you of a moment in time or a loved one's touch. Memory map collage. Draw a map of a special place or your life's journey, then collage photos and mementos onto it. This project is a wonderful way to visualize your adventures and celebrate the places that have shaped you. Each project celebrates your story and the places and people that made you who you are. Sharing these crafts with friends or family can spark conversations and laughter, making the memories even sweeter. There's no right or wrong, just your personal adventure, mapped out with love. Let yourself experiment, try new techniques, and embrace the unexpected. Try one or try them all. Each project is a new opportunity to relive a memory or create a brand new one. The joy is in the making and remembering. Crafting together can turn a simple afternoon into a cherished tradition. Let your creativity lead the way. Don't be afraid to follow your inspiration wherever it takes you. Your memories deserve to shine, and with every craft you make, you're honoring the moments that matter most. As you craft, big feelings might come up, and that's okay. Some memories will make you smile or laugh out loud. Others might bring a tear or a heavy heart. Be gentle with yourself. If you need to pause, do it. There's no rush. This is your journey. Take reflection breaks. Look at what you've made and let the stories and feelings surface. Every emotion, joy, nostalgia, sadness, gratitude is valid. This time is a gift to yourself, a way to honor your story. Be kind and patient with yourself. Let yourself feel it all. Your memories and your art are meaningful because of it. Crafting is about listening to your heart. Celebrate every feeling that comes up. We've journeyed through our memories and made beautiful things filled with love. What you've created is more than just glue and paper. It's a piece of your heart. Your life is full of moments worth celebrating, big and small. You don't need to be an artist, just be you. Every keepsake holds a universe of feeling, and they're all precious. Honoring your past is a beautiful act of self-love. I'd love to see what you've made. Sharing our stories connects us all. Keep crafting, keep remembering, and keep celebrating your amazing life. Thank you for spending this time with me. Now go find that box of treasures. You never know what magic you'll discover.